Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is iQOO Z9s 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to take slow motion video in your phone iQOO Z9s 5G. First of all, open camera in your phone and here just move to more button and here you will find SLOMO. This is called slow motion icon. Just click on it. Now record your video. Okay, so whatever you record, that will be like a normal video while recording. See, I am recording this video. Okay, click on shutter button to record and I record this video. Okay, I am catching this tone. Okay, and also I am catching this biscuit. Wow, dropped. Now I stop the record, okay, and play the file. This is the recorder file. Play it. See. Now it is in slow motion. So in this way, you can easily take slow motion video in your phone iQOO Z9s 5G. Okay. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.